Hey, I'm Sam. Today we are going to talk about my MGZR, a car that I've been working on for the past year, that I bought it for £250. Now this car was destined for the scrapyard. I felt like it needed a second chance. This involved chopping out a hell of a lot of rust and putting in good metal. I restored the engine bay and put an MGTF 1.8 135 engine in it. This consists of a 160 exhaust cam out of a VVC and a special remap from K-Map, so that it should be producing around 160 brake horsepower. So, now we are on the painting stage, and whilst we wait, we are going to do a quick mod on the ZR that you'll see in this video. We are installing this induction kit on the ZR to replace a standard unit which is very restrictive and does not provide optimal airflow. Now by incorporating this larger high-flowing intake pipe, the induction system will significantly improve air intake efficiency. This enhancement will result in better engine performance, increased power output and improve overall vehicle responsiveness. So, let's get into it and let me show you how I got on fitting the new kit. Right, so here we've got the old and standard one. So we thought it's not the greatest because, well, you can't really. There's not a lot of air that can go in it. And when you put it in, like so, the bumper covers it over, so it's really restricted. So we thought, bin the original one, and we're just gonna mount it with the bit of curly, movable, bendable, that's the word, bendable pipe, and then we're just going to vent it out at the bottom of the right side of the radiator, and then just get rid of all standard stuff, and it should be a lot less restricted. Right, so here we've got the upgraded, the latest and greatest induction kit that we've bought, and yeah, we're just going to put it on now. So what we do is we're going to get it and we're going to shove it down here. Shove it down there. So it's coming out of there, like so. Shove it down a bit more. And then, so turn it around. A bit more. There we go, it's on there. So now we just need to get this clamp, like so, put it around, put it on this thread, being goes that way around, like so, put it around, pop it there, don't matter, easy, there, and then nut. Falling on the floor. Back. Screw the nut on, like so. And then we get the ratchet. Tighten it up. So once you get it nipped, you don't have to fully tighten it, because what it'll do is it'll scratch all your carbon and it won't look very nice after that. So once you've got that nicely tight, and tighten this back up, like so. Tighten this up. Make sure this is still open. that. Couple more turns. There we go. Doors, what move? And yeah, so that's the installation for the induction kit, and then simply you're gonna put your light and you're gonna put your bumper back on, and then hopefully jobs are good. Guys, that is just a general walk around MGZR and a short video of how to install an induction kit on a K series. And make sure if you want to see more videos of the ZR, make sure to give it a like and maybe subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. Thank you guys, see you next time.